We are not alone. From the smallest atom to the most sophisticated living organisms, every being on our planet benefits from the phenomenon of symbiosis. This harmonious collaboration transcends species, borders, and even time itself, where diverse organisms forge partnerships and unlock the secrets of survival, propelling the evolution of our living world. Although we emerge from this planet in different cultures and circumstances, we share a common destiny. By coming together and engaging through our polarities, we have unlocked the mysteries of the cosmos. As we navigate the challenges that lie ahead, we can draw inspiration from the wisdom of nature. So I ask, why must we embrace our differences? And what will happen to our planet, our species, and life itself if we don't? Come with me to discover and unearth the magic of co-creation.